Not very warm yet this morning, but when you hear them knocking at the door, we've got one. Where'd the other two go? Well, there's two more out here somewhere. There we have one. And we have number 3. But there's a scratch at the door, and then I know to open it. And but it's gonna wait. It's a little cold out here. We're gonna have winter again. Okay, your little friends need some, so I'm not staying out here very long. Yeah, we're just gonna throw these out there. Oh, hey, well, we got 4. Would you like a peanut? And there you go. Oh, I have a new name for you guys. But your little... Let me just make sure there's some out for everybody. You can only eat one at a time. Let's see, it needs to come. I guess not. It's over there somewhere. Right here. Whoops. Alright. I'm not staying out here for you. I'll be back out later.